Does that not look delicious? Golden brown catfish with fresh cut up Idaho potatoes over cheesy grits. My sister put her foot in this, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna show you how to make this simple. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. I have my sister Kathy in the kitchen. Kathy, what you cooking today, sister?
We're having French fries, potatoes with grits and fish.
What kind of fish we having?
Catfish, honey.
Yum, yum.
Okay. Now they're ready to go into the frying pan. And it's on a medium-high fire. I'm gonna get them golden brown. Now we're gonna add our grits to our boiling water. We have a cup of grits and 2.5 cups of water. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down. Add my salt and pepper to it.
Are we adding butter to this?
We do add butter to the grits.
As it's cooking?
As it is cooking, yes.
You want some butter right now?
Yes, can you give me some butter, please?
I sure can.
Thank you. I'm gonna turn this down.
I got your butter. I'll help you slide it in there.
Wait, thank you.
You're welcome. So sis, about how long will the grits take?
Approximately 30 minutes.
This is going to be delicious. Fries are done.
All done.
Now we're gonna season them now or later? Or
We will season them later.
Okay, great. So we have it in a colander draining.
Normally, I will put them in a paper bag to absorb all of the grease inside of a plastic bag, which, believe it or not, will keep them warm for almost up to 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, now we're coming back to our grits. How about that? That looks yummy.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so we have our cheese. Add cheese to it now.
This is grits, y'all. In case y'all don't know how to make grits, this is how you make it.
Okay, so I'm going to add some more cheese.
Yummy, yummy, cheesy grits.
Yes. Great flavor.
Now, you didn't add any salt, pepper to this, did you?
I did add my salt and pepper in the very beginning. Yes, now we talking. Oh, that looks great.
Y'all let me know in the comment section. Have you ever had grits and French fries along with some catfish or any fish on the side? Let me know.
Season our fish. We're going to be using our Andy's fish seasoning. We'll put some in a bowl. Add our fish. Kind of season it up real good. Just like that. Put my next piece in there. Frying pan is getting hot. Now, because my other pieces are pretty large, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the frying pan. All right, people, get ready. Nothing like grits and French fries with some fish.
Amen.
You know, catfish doesn't take that long to cook, but we do want it done. All right, so we're going to turn our fish pretty much in the order we put it in the pan. This is one of the specialties of my brother Larry. Grits and French fries, y'all, from Louisiana style. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Neither can I.
Look how golden brown that's gonna look, y'all.
There you go.
All right, look at these bigger pieces. Kind of need a little help.
There we go.
I don't like it to fall apart at all. Okay, I think we're done here. Okay. Let's see. Absolutely done.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yes. Wonderful texture.
Does that not look delicious? Come on, girl, plate it up for us. All right, sister, go ahead and pig out.
All right.
Can we get a bite? Ooh, yes. Look at all that grits. Creamy grits with cheese. Can I have some of that fish? Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you, sister. We appreciate you cooking for us on this new year. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Do like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 20,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions or comments, do leave it below. We will respond in 24 hours. Until then, God bless you. Thank you again for watching the video. And we will see you again on our next video. This is another way we eat it, just to let you know. Does that not look delicious? Grits with cheese, French fries, and golden, delicious brown catfish. Does that not look delicious?